How to apply Refresh bathroom paint on tiled surfaces. The bathroom paint is specially designed to renovate tiled surfaces in heavy-use wet environments, including shower stalls. Its formula creates a protective film that ensures high resistance to repeated exposure to water and changes in temperature. For an optimal result, follow our step-by-step recommendation to apply the coating. Pay special attention to the preparation of the surfaces. Refresh paint must be applied on surfaces that are in good condition, dry and free from dirt or grease. Remove any silicone joints before application. Clean using sugar soap. Ensure grout lines are clean. Rinse thoroughly and leave to dry before applying the paint. Protect the non-painted surface areas with masking tape. When opening the paint container, you'll find a small tub attached to the lid that contains the additive. Empty the additive into the paint. Stir the paint for 5 minutes, working around the bottom of the container with a wide stirrer to ensure it is thoroughly combined. Please note, once the products have been mixed, you have 48 hours to apply the paint. After that, resistance properties are altered. Pour the desired quantity into the paint tray. Start with the round brush. Dip it in the paint and remove excess product in the tray to avoid excess thickness. Apply on the areas difficult to reach with a roller and lay off to ensure a smooth finish. Use the short pile roller to paint the tiled surface. Remove any excess product in the tray to ensure you create a uniform coat. Apply a thin coat, working from top to bottom over small areas, and draw out the paint. Crisscross your strokes. Always finish with a last pass, working from top to bottom without reloading. Do not try to correct imperfections by reloading the roller to work on areas that are not dry. Leave to dry for 8 hours. Run your hand over the surface to ensure that it's completely dry. You can move on to the second coat using the same method as the first. Wait 72 hours before using the painted surface or exposing it to water. Before the paint is completely dry, remove the protective masking tape. Remember to recreate any silicone joints you may have removed. After 72 hours, you can use the surface with care. We recommend waiting 20 days before subjecting the surface to any intensive use. Always clean the surface using gentle cleaning products and a non-abrasive sponge.